Good morning, my friends. It's Gus here. It is Saturday, the 19th of January, 2025. I want to share with you what I believe the Lord said to me this morning. This message was for sons of God, those who've received Jesus and by believing in Him, giving them the right to become children of God. Children born not of flesh or blood, but by God's will. This is what I believe the Lord said to me this morning. I've redeemed you. I have redeemed you. I've repurchased you. You are mine. I've reproduced myself inside of you. I have poured the Spirit of my Son into your heart, by which you cry, Abba, Father. My glory, my majesty, my presence, my power, my nature will fill the earth like water the seas through you. Rule and reign. Bring in my kingdom. Expel darkness. Hate what is evil. Cling to what is good. Tend and care for the land. Do not tolerate the works of darkness. I've given you dominion. I've given you all authority in heaven and earth. Those who are spiritual judge all things. Bring about my righteousness, not your righteousness, not by works. Bring about my righteousness and my justice. You are king and a priest. Stop tolerating the works of the enemy. When sons of God do not walk in their authority, casting judgment, bringing justice, evil flourishes. Death, sickness, and destruction will reign. Let me say that again. When sons of God do not walk in their authority, casting justice, bringing judgment, bringing justice, evil flourishes. Death, sickness, and destruction will be manifest. Death, sickness, and destruction will reign. The degree to which my kingdom will manifest on earth will be in direct proportion to the degree you have the mind of Christ, to the degree you think and act like Christ, who being the very nature God did not think it robbery to be equal with God. Christ, who being the very nature of God, did not think it robbery to be equal with God, but humbled himself, becoming in the appearance of man, and humbled himself, being obedient to death, even death on the cross. See others as greater than yourselves. Live to die for righteousness, my righteousness, and justice for others. Do not tolerate evil and injustice any longer. When sons of God, with all authority in heaven and earth, with all my glory, my person, my presence, my nature, my majesty, my power. When sons of God are silent, evil abounds and evil flourishes. When sons of God are silent and inactive, evil abounds and evil flourishes. We have all of God, all of His power, all of His presence. We have the authority to judge, to bring about God's righteousness, to bring about His justice. When sons of God are silent and do not act, evil abounds and evil flourishes. Your bodies are my working parts. Now work, usher in my kingdom on earth. You are my hands and my feet. Wake up. Redeem time. Stop wasting time. The days are short. Stop hindering me from working. I can only work in you and through you. I can only work in you and through you. God cannot work in this earth unless it's in us and through us. He gave Adam and Eve dominion and authority. He gave dominion to man. He's reproduced Himself inside of you so that we can rule and reign. God cannot do it unless it's done through us. God can only work in us and through us. Your unbelief, your idols, your stomach, your inactivity, your orphan mindset, your complacency is all hindering me working through you. Stop limiting me. Stop limiting me. Psalm 78 verse 41. Stop limiting God. Stop thinking so small. I want to do super abundantly more through you, in you, than you can ask or imagine. For my glory. I want to work in you and through you super abundantly more than you can ask or imagine for my glory. Rid yourself of idols. Everything is yours. Everything is yours. Usher in my kingdom. Time is short. Rescue those I paid for with my blood. Rescue those I paid for with my blood. You have the ministry of reconciliation. Reconcile those I have paid for with my blood. I paid for them, they are mine. It's your responsibility to bring them into my kingdom. Stop wasting time. Stop limiting me. Stop being silent. Stop being inactive. You are my hands and my feet. I cannot work unless it's in you and through you. Stop limiting me. The kingdom, the power of darkness is flourishing because of inactivity, because of an orphan mindset, because sons of God are sitting on their hands doing nothing, not knowing what's available to them. Stop limiting me. Wake up, act. All authority in heaven and earth has been given to you. The same Spirit that raised Christ from the dead lives in you. Now use it. Allow Him to work in you and through you. Humble yourself. Allow Him to work in you and through you. Devote yourself to prayer.